So hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our students got placed in a company, so she is going to share her experience.
Yeah, actually myself is CHANADANA K N. I'm basically from India, but I did BTech in the branch of Electronics and Communication. Actually, I'm 22 passed out. Being a 22 passed out, the things were not easy for me, but PySpiders proved me wrong. Actually, I took Python full stack testing course. So my course started with Python and it was handled by Vijay sir, and then manual testing it was handled by Gopi sir as well as Pradeep sir, and then SQL by Murli sir, and then Selenium by our Lakshmi Prasad sir. Actually, he is the one who suggests me to take testing based on my qualification and my interest, and then thanks for that. And then actually we had boot camps and then mock interviews, and we had three mock interviews for each subjects. So that so from mock interviews and the boot camps, it was helped me a lot to getting placed. And then so in terms of communication, in terms of confidence, and in technically, and then I'm always grateful for that.
So congratulations.
Yeah, thank you sir.